Going to Donut Falls Trail. It's October 30th today.
Spooky.
Spooky.
It's Halloween.
It's Halloween, isn't that crazy? Feels like it is not Halloween right now.
Probably a couple of little ice goblins hiding up here somewhere.
Yeah, we got some snow gremlins and some yetis just lurking around.
Oh, yetis, yeah.
Alright, we're about to go down this super sketchy traverse. Michael's gonna test it out. So far so good. 1 foot in front of the other. Oh. You made it! Good job. Alright, so I'm gonna cross this log and I'm gonna try to get to this little platform over here. Don't recommend trying this at home, kids. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna try to hit whatever that is. I don't know if that's a rock or not. I'm trying to hit that and just jump across.
I don't think that's a rock.
Alright, we don't recommend climbing this if you're intermediate or moderate level. Rather advanced, especially in the winter. As you can see, this guy didn't do too hot. He's fallen, so just be careful when you're climbing this. It's icy and it's steep, so. Michael's just climbing up. It's a beautiful day. Falls just right up there. Not very clear.
No?
Yeah, it's pretty much all slush.
can just slide, yeah.
That's fun, dude.